Today, I am reviewing the Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor and Leak Detector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. As a homeowner who recently dealt with the absolute nightmare of an undetected water leak behind a bathroom wall, I cannot overstate the importance of having eyes on your main water line. That single hidden disaster resulted in thousands of dollars in structural damage and a water bill that made my jaw drop. Determined to never let that happen again, I started looking into smart leak detectors. However, I was immediately discouraged by how invasive most options are, usually requiring you to hire an expensive plumber to cut directly into your copper pipes. That was until I discovered the Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor and Leak Detector. After using it continuously for months, I can safely say that this device is one of the most practical, brilliant pieces of smart home technology on the market today. It provides total peace of mind without a single drop of plumbing frustration. The absolute best feature of the Flume 2 is its genius, non-invasive design. It is compatible with 95% of residential water meters, and the way it works is honestly fascinating. It does not actually touch the water inside your pipes. Instead, it relies on a battery-powered sensor that you strap directly to the outside casing of your existing water meter using the included heavy-duty rubber straps. Most traditional residential water meters contain an internal magnetic disc that spins as water flows through, and the Flume 2 sensor simply measures the tiny shifts in that magnetic field. It translates those physical spins into incredibly precise digital data, measuring down to 1/100th of a gallon. The box comes with everything you need, including rubber gloves and a handy tool to open your outdoor water meter lid if your meter is buried in the yard. The entire installation took me less than 15 minutes. You just strap the sensor to the meter, plug the wireless Flume bridge into a standard outlet inside your house to connect it to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and follow the step-by-step calibration prompts in the smartphone app. There was zero pipe cutting, zero wiring, and absolutely no need to schedule an appointment with a plumber. Once the system was up and running, the level of insight it provided via the mobile app was immediately eye-opening. Most of us only think about our water consumption once a month when a bill arriving in the mail tells us a single, vague, total number. The Flume 2 completely changes that by giving you a dynamic, down-to-the-minute breakdown of your daily water habits. The dashboard shows you a real-time gallons per minute flow rate, allowing you to see exactly how much water is actively running at any given moment. Through advanced algorithms, it can even differentiate between your indoor household usage and your outdoor irrigation system. When I first checked the data, I was shocked to see just how many gallons our automated lawn sprinklers were burning through compared to our daily showers and washing machine cycles. This detailed visualization allowed our family to adjust our watering schedules and effortlessly cut our monthly water bill by roughly 15%, meaning the device easily pays for itself in just a few months. Of course, while the data tracking is a fantastic bonus for conservation and budgeting, the primary reason to buy the Flume 2 is its proactive leak detection. The app allows you to set up highly customizable smart alerts based on your normal household patterns. For example, you can configure it to send a push notification, text message, or email if water has been running continuously for more than 20 minutes. Within the first month of having it installed, I received an alert late at night while everyone was asleep. I checked the app, saw a small but steady continuous flow, and walked around the house until I discovered a guest bathroom toilet valve that had failed to seal and was silently running full blast. Without the Flume 2, that toilet could have run unnoticed for weeks, wasting thousands of gallons of water and inflating my utility bill. The app also features away mode, which is perfect for vacations. You can even input emergency contacts so that your neighbors or family members receive an alert if a major pipe bursts while you are traveling out of town. It is worth noting that because this is a non-invasive monitor, it cannot physically shut off your main water valve in the event of an emergency, like some of the highly invasive, wired plumbing systems do. However, for a fraction of the cost and with absolutely zero installation hassle, it gives you the immediate, real-time knowledge required to catch leaks early and turn the manual valve off yourself before catastrophic damage occurs. The sensor hardware is ruggedly built to withstand extreme outdoor weather conditions, and the integrated lithium battery is rated to last for several years, making it a truly passive, low-maintenance safety net for your property. Ultimately, the Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor is an indispensable tool for any proactive homeowner. It successfully turns a completely invisible resource into a clear, manageable data stream that protects both your bank account and your peace of mind. If you want to eliminate the anxiety of hidden plumbing disasters, conserve water, and gain total control over your home utilities, this device is a flawless investment that performs exactly as promised.